7-layer balls.
And these are the things that we need. What's this?
Butter, crackers,
Chocolate chips.
chocolate chips,
Butterscotch,
nuts,
Sweet condensed milk.
sweet
And
condensed milk, and coconut, and that's butterscotch chocolate chips.
Okay.
First, we got to melt the butter.
Okay, Zaydes, what do we do next?
Put butter in
The pan.
a pan.
Pour the melted butter in the pan. Good job.
How? It's your hot. You're going to crush the graham crackers.
Crush the graham crackers. Yep, good job. And then do you know what we do next?
I know.
What do we-
Put it in.
Pour it in the pan?
I want
Okay.
to do it. I want to put them in.
Sure.
Can I try?
Absolutely.
I'm going to do that.
We got lots of things to put in.
Now your turn. Get that little one. That bit all in.
Pour the chocolate chips in. All over. Okay. Mixing around.
Oh,
All right, let's get the next thing, the butterscotch chips. 1 cup of butterscotch chips.
Right.
Yep, go ahead and pour them in.
We put some vodka check.
Oh, good job. Good. And then, so we got,
Can I pour the this in?
let's do some nuts. We got 3/4 a cup of nuts
want
here.
to.
What's that? 50? All right. We're going to do the nuts now. Okay. What do we do next?
You pour that in.
The sweet condensed milk.
Hey, Mom.
Hmm?
I do that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Mama.
Yeah.
Mom, but I get to
Now what? Coconut? Then put coconut.
Put the coconut in.
Pick it up and sprinkle it
I
around.
had that.
What was a 1/2 cup of coconut? Good job. And then we bake it
I
at,
had that
Yep.
one.
Yep.
I had that can right now.
and then we bake it at 350 degrees for 25 minutes.